I don't know how much I'm going to show you, but it's cute. It's a river town, and we're going to go eat something. Garden on a motorcycle. The owners here are working on Cambodia's very first Khmer vegan cookbook and run a social enterprise as well. It's really nice inside this restaurant. We've ordered tofu balls, crispy yuba skin with greens, and a set menu of Khmer food. The tofu balls, coated in sesame and fried like a fritter with minced tofu and veg in the inside, also had a beautiful taste of galangal, garlic, lemongrass, and served with a bit of papaya salad on the side. Oh, what an appetizer. The greens with crispy yuba skin were beautifully balanced. Nice, softly cooked, but still with a nice structural texture to it, kind of bok choy, topped with rolled crispy yuba skin that softened a little bit in the thin sauce. Very, very nice. The Khmer food set was excellent. The dumplings were very nice, filled with a kind of minced, slightly starchy quality to them. Probably jicama, carrot, and wood ear mushroom, served with red rice for all of it. The vegetables, eggplant, and baby corn, fresh baby corn, cooked perfectly. The curry had yuba skin in it, plus very, very finely diced vegetables in a beautiful paste topped with rich coconut cream. Absolutely delightful. Really, really tasty. And the sauces, everything that came with it is just perfect. And we're back again. Holy shit, it tastes like liquid carrot cake. Divine. Oh my god, the stir fry is so delicious. It's got lemongrass flavor emanating through it everywhere. The amok was just as good as last night on the Khmer set. Let's go get a haircut at 8:30 at night. Kampot Lane, little alley of fun. All right, fair enough. Cute puppy.
Losing weight.
Went to bed, went for brunch at Simple Things. Well, the menu seems exquisite. We ordered the jackfruit, banana, and espresso shake, as well as a pineapple coconut shake. And we decided on the open-faced tempeh sandwich and the dolly bowl. The restaurant has a great amount of breakfast, lunch, and dinner items, but is open earlier, so come with your brunch appetite. The shake was a weird but very tasty combination of tropical, creamy, sweet, and roasted bitterness from the coffee. The bowl is pleasantly what you'd expect. All sorts of diverse plants and veggies and legumes and tofu, hummus, greens, broccoli, marinated broccoli, and black rice. That's just great. Just like eating a big, hearty, high-protein salad. The open-faced tempeh sandwich had tempeh, a homemade slice of bread, ripe tomato, crispy lettuce and cucumber, all together, and a brown mustard seed sweet sauce dressing. The bread itself has a muffin-esque kind of sweet bread quality to it. It's thick and fluffy like a cake. The tempeh is generous, great big pieces, and mild in flavor. I wasn't overwhelmed by it, but against Natalia's very generous bowl with all those diverse flavors, I found myself thinking, whoops, maybe I ordered the wrong thing. That said, it was still delicious. Then we went back. Well, this is nice. I'm drawn to this left side antique looking set here, Natalia. You? While yesterday's one was delicious and weird in a good way, and the other one was a little bit sour. Today, oh, delicious. The cinnamon with the mango and banana, called the Rishikesh, which is a spiced smoothie. It's just very mildly done, and that subtlety just lends a depth and a bit of je ne sais quoi to the smoothie. And of course the classic plain one, I had to double check that they didn't put milk in it, because it's so rich and so smooth. Natalia had the same bowl as yesterday because she loved it. My fried tofu wrap was a bombardment of gentle flavors. Crisp lettuce, tomato, and the coating on the outside of the gently fried tofu with that tangy, lightly creamy mustard kind of sauce. And the wrap itself was soft and floury and chewy and yielding and all the good things you'd want. Still wandering around Kampot, headed now to a night market. Surprise! We're in Asia and we're going to night markets. Friends, I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of the same stuff, but it's still fun to check, so that'll probably be it. It's got a fair, it's got lots of nice clothes for predominantly smaller people. More beautiful river stuff. A theme in Cambodia. Lit up bridges, sand, riverside beaches. Very, very lovely. And of course, always a 7-Eleven and some happy pizza restaurants nearby. Outside in the daytime is also very nice. A little bit of a sex tourism vibe here, but I guess that's Southeast Asia. Not a ton, not like Patong or Pattaya, but still we noticed. Well, now we are going to be heading out of Kampot on our first overnight bus in a really long time, in a few months. Headed to Siem Reap for our final stint in Cambodia. Off to Bangkok after that. And we've really liked it here for this little introductory visit, so tell me in the comments, what did I miss? The answer? Spoiler alert, it's everything. For Vegan Everywhere, I'm David.